I thought you wrote this. Oh, you're welding the bolt.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey everybody in Sticker Dick land. This is Sticker Dick at Sticker Dick's Garage along with Michael Berry.
Me.
Heysus.
Heysus.
He's doing his welding. He had to bring his stick welder because he's such a giver. He loaned his other welder machine to one of his buddies, and his buddy's gone out of town. And I begged him to come. I said, please, please. And he did because he loves me.
That's right.
And because I pay him a lot of money. But anyway, he was telling me how horrible his stick welding is. Well, it looks pretty damn good to me. It's definitely better than anything I can do. So we're pleased. And now the axles will not be bent anymore. We're learning our lessons as we go along. This is a teachable moment. So remember, out there in Sticker Dick land, when you do not succeed, you just say fuck it and move on and do it again.